Hello, Ndewo. No, this is Igbo class. In today's video, we'll be looking at Igbo words that begins with the letter R. Mkpụrụ okwu Igbo ndị ji mkpụrụ edemede R wee malite. Ka anyị bido, let's begin. Rie, eat. Rie, eat. Rie, eat. Rie nri. Rie osikapa. Rie agwa. Rie ji. Eat, eat. Rie. Riri, riri. Ate. Riri, ate. Eriri m ji. I ate yam. Eriri m osikapa. I ate rice. Ate, riri. Eat, rie. Rụọ, rụọ. To do some work. Rụọ, rụọ. The act of being in action. Rụọ, rụọ. The act of doing work. Rụọ, rụọ ọrụ. Rụọ ọrụ. Rụọ ezigbo ọrụ. Rụọ ezigbo ọrụ. Rụrụ, rụrụ. Rụrụ. That is the past tense of rụọ. Did, did. Ọ rụrụ ọrụ ya nke ọma. Ọ rụrụ ọrụ ya nke ọma. She did her work well. Rịa, rịa. Rịa, climb. Rịa, climb. Rịa elu osisi ahụ. Climb the tree. Rịa, climb. Riri, riri. Climbed. The past tense of rịa, climb. Riri, climbed. Rigoro can also be climb. Rigoro, rigoro. Rigoro, climb. Rịa, climb. Rịọ, beg. Rịọ, beg. Request, ask. Rịọ, rịọrọ. Rịọrọ, begged. Asked, requested. Rahụ, rahụ. Rahụ ụra, sleep. Sleep. Rahụ ụra, sleep. Rahụrụ, rahụrụ. Slept. Slept. Rahụrụ, slept. Richa, richa. To finish off. Richa. While eating, to finish off everything completely. Richa ya. Finish off everything. Richa. Ribama. Ribama. To tag or to label. Tag or label. Ribama, that is to distinguish a thing from the rest. Ribama. Ribama. To tag or to label something, to distinguish it, to set it apart from the rest. Ribama. Riba-ama. Thank you for joining us in today's video. Don't forget, to subscribe, like and share this video. Till I come your way again, this is coming from Igbo Class, a platform where we bring you Igbo language and culture. Kemesia.